As we enter 2026, businesses are thinking, how can they actually start to deploy AI and move from pilots to scale? When you actually think about it, this year alone, $520 billion is being expected to be invested in AI. And if you look at it, according to MIT, over 95% of AI projects actually fail. So why the big gamble? Well, we reached out to over 130 AI leaders within our community. We asked them, how are you getting on with your AI adoption and how is the plan actually going? When we actually break down the survey results, over 33% C-suites who took the survey, 27% directors, we had 16% managers and 15% architects. We could see that early production, we had 41% of participants actually in this phase, which was actually pretty good. We're pretty impressed by that. 33% were doing broad adoption of AI applications, and then we had 24% in piloting, and the rest were actually looking just to get started. The biggest current blocker, not surprising, was integration. So integration with existing systems to actually ensure that those legacy systems, general IT systems, could actually integrate with AI. Then we actually had skills and resources, followed closely with security concerns, and then data. When we look at the top outcome the businesses were actually looking to try to achieve, cost optimization was at 28%, engineering assistance were at 19%, so think of something like Microsoft Copilot or Git Copilot to actually help their engineers. Then we had predictive maintenance at 15%, and then other fill the gap. Governance and reducing incidents was also up there in terms of significant outcomes they wanted to achieve. We actually look at what our participants were most focused on. That was predictive alerts at 25%, cost optimization with just under 25%, with incident support, contract intelligence as the most important project that they would like to start in the next 90 days. When we asked them about their stance on GenAI within Ops data, we had 56% of people actually came back and said it's in controlled use, so they're very focused about how they're actually putting it into production, 15% in sandbox only, and coming into production ready, we're just under 15% as well. 10% were unsure, and 5% were actually prohibited from using GenAI in their application.